Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Xml Table View app. This app for viewing XML files into a table format. This is my website. I will leave a link to description. To download, I double click on the download button and wait when it will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI and click on more info. This message will appear because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. This is what I'm saying, publisher unknown. I click run anyway to get the app installed. Next, install. Click on yes and finish, and you will see application will be installed on a desktop. Now I can double click on shortcut to open application. Then to view XML file, I can select input file, click on select input file and specify XML I want to see, for example like this one. And you can see it displaying all XML data into table format. I can resize it if I want to. And also I can export it, this table data from XML into different formats like Excel, Word. It will be Word document with a table inside, or web page. It will be web page with a table inside, or I can save it as CSV and or like another XML. So basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.